Welcome to Nails of Interest, everyone. Today I want to show you again one of my favorite Chameleon polishes. It's Models 15710. I've been given an exciting opportunity to give away 17 more bottles of this polish. Yes, 17. 1-7. I've already given away 3. I had 20 to give away. I did 3 on an Instagram giveaway. So I have 17 more for YouTube. The only rule is 2 rules. You must be subscribed and I have to be able to see it. So if you're not subscribed, make sure that button is gray. And you have to say enter me below. And this is only, I'm sorry, available to people with a US address to ship to. You don't have to live in the US. You don't have to be a US resident. You just have to have a US shipping address. If they can mail it to you in the United States because of the liquid polish regulations through border control. It's not available outside of the United States, but if you have a friend, anybody you can share your address to me with, go ahead and hit enter me down below. Type enter me, and that's it. You'll have to share your address if you win with me in a private message. Instagram, Facebook, email, it's all listed down below. I'll show you what it looks like. This is with 2 coats and a top coat, the usual way you apply it. This is how I like to wear it. I have worn it in several videos. I was quite hooked on this earlier this year, and that was the actual giveaway on Instagram. The first 3 that mentioned which videos I was wearing it in or showed it off in won 3 bottles. So congratulations, ladies. It was Pumpkin's Nail Art, Girly Nails 66, and Glitzy Nails UK. Congratulations again on your win. This is if you apply it sheerly, and this is how I love to wear it. I'm going to nuke this and show you the color change. So actually this is what it looks like warm, straight out of my lamp. And cold, but it does look a little different. Go ahead and cool this one off. It's so hot out today that I can't do it on my body temperature as well. Let's see the effects you can get with the same polish. One's just applied thinner and one's applied thicker, that's all. 2 coats here, applied normally. 1 coat here, applied very thin. And the warm effect. It only did halfway. So you get quite a cool effect out of these. All the way warm. My water's not very warm either. It cooled off sitting here. It will change into an ombre effect on your nails, especially in extreme temperatures. During the spring I was wearing it. My nail beds were pink. My free edge was purple. Everybody loved it. See, it's changing right now, right before your eyes. You'll get this effect on your nails, just as if you were wearing them like this. Your free edges would be purple right now, and your nail beds would be pink. That's a lovely effect. So this is what you will win. It'll be sent straight to you. Make sure you have a US address for this to ship to, else I'll have to pick another winner. You will have to give me your address within 1 week from the date of your win video. I'll put all the dates in each video. You will have 2 weeks from today's date. I'll put the dates in the video and in the description. You have the chance to win this lovely color. Just for a little thank you from me for being subscribed. And I'd like to thank Lucas Beauty. They're the Amazon seller for Models 1. And I'd just like to thank them so much for giving me 20 bottles to give away. And I hope that you enter. And thank you for being a subscriber. Remember to make those subscriptions visible. And subscriptions are free, so why not do it? Okay, on to my manicure. or onto the video, I'm sorry. Welcome to Nails of Interest, everyone. Today I just wanted to share with you a new pigment powder I found. I'm a newer Amazon seller. I'm going to test it out on 4 different color nails. It's not a typical pigment. It appeared purple in the ad, and we'll open it up and see. They've got their email support listed inside. Very nice. Very cute logo. It's a cute little box. So let's see what we get. As you can see, this is my first time opening it. It comes with 2 nice long sponges to apply the powder. I've purchased almost the same ones before. They're really stiff. They're not like the ones that come in the cheap little makeup packages. Look at that powder. Just look at that powder. I've seen another do it over black, and I figured I'm gonna try it over several colors because it's already purple. Let's give it a try. Let's do it over the typical black first. If you're new here, oh, welcome everybody, by the way, I'm sorry. If you're new here and you like this content, please hit subscribe below. It's completely free. It just helps me out a lot. Look at that chrome shiny goodness. Ooh. It doesn't take much at all. I'm dropping some. I don't have my nails stuck down very well. It would apply like a dream. I'm picking some up from down here because I don't want to waste any. Let's just hold on to this nail. Let's bring y'all in a little closer. See the gorgeousness. That's just one simple little swipe. Let's try it over silver. Doesn't take much, as you know, with these powders. Ooh. And this is a gel top coat underneath. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm liking it over silver. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to wear. So, you know, I have birdies that don't like this, but I do. I'm trying to find a look that they will like. I'm liking it over the silver. This is the Silver Models 1. All these are Models 1 polishes. This is this Dreamy Silver. This was Deep Black. From the Travelers Collection. These are 2 from Travelers. This is from Travelers, the African White. And this is the Ultraviolet from the BlueBlood's collection. Let's go ahead and try it over a Purple Models 1 from that kit I reviewed. This is the same swatch I used. Oh yeah, I never top coated it in. But it's still burnishing in. I mean, look at how you could just make one accent nail if you wanted to. It's burnishing in, and I didn't even top coat it. It's quite lovely. Definitely recommend this. See how if you made your nails one color, you could have an accent in another. You could do a design in it. We will do a design in it in a moment. Try to see what they look like on all these different colors. Trying a white. I forgot to top coat this one as well. It's working. It's a little easier if you top coat. This is gel polish, so it will work. I may add a little bit more on. I'm kind of liking the effect. To me, I can see a little bit of the white. I'm making a little mess here. You see the little bit of white showing. I like that effect too. Coming up with some ideas right now. Let's see about top coating part. And this is over the African Violet, or I've had African Violet. This is over the Ultraviolet. Ooh. I've got a nail prepped without the color. Just dust it off with the nails if you need to, so you don't get it into your top coat. Let me top coat those in, or just pigment. Oh, as you know, I'm so hooked on pigments. Let me top coat these in and show you what they look like. Just float it over. My top coat's running out. This is my dedicated pigment top coat, just in case. Get it in there. Look at that. It's not picking up onto my top coat, which is very nice. See that? It's not picking up. Just ordered their top coat as well. I should have waited to use their top coat with it. I'll let you know if there's any differences. And these were nails that were just sitting in my drawer from my swatch videos earlier. Gonna nuke that. Okay, again, this is on the typical black nail that most people would use it with. This is over a silver glitter nail. The Dreamy Silver from Modelones 1. This is over a light purple. This is over, gotta check, a white. You already get the gorgeous purple look over a white. And this is over purple. Let's compare the black and white. People typically do. I mean, it's a total difference. Both so lovely in their own right, but yet so different. You can mix and match your colors up. I mean, silver and white looks good. So you can take any colors that you have and you can make a match quite lovely. I mean, I probably wouldn't use it over a yellow or something like that. But this is the white with the purple. Quite lovely. Remember, I didn't quite get it covered in there, but it looks lovely. And this is the original color. I'm liking the purple and the silver the best. This is the without the top coat, or without, this is without the pigment, this is with the pigment. They make a lovely accent nail. I'm in love with the colors. Oh, I don't know what I want to do. Sorry, I lost the footage of me actually wearing these. I'll insert a picture at the end. But again, this is what you receive in this lovely box. Pigment powder that is deep, gorgeous purple. You receive the box to store it in. I find lovely. And as you can see, you can use it over practically any color. This is black. This is, make sure what colors these are. This is black. This is silver. This is a baby purple. This is a white. And this is that violet purple. They're all quite lovely. Look at that. I mean, you can take a polish and make virtually, I made 5 polishes actually match and coordinate. They were very, very different and didn't match before. And again, don't forget to enter. Say enter me if you want a bottle of this polish sent to you. You will have to contact me if you win and provide me with your address for them to ship it to you. I thank you, Lucas Beauty, the Modelones 1 supplier from Amazon. Thank you very much for surprising me with this. Thank you, and thank everybody for watching. If you'd like a bottle of this polish, simply say enter me below. Make sure you're subscribed. It's visible, and all that normal stuff. I'll insert my video clip of how to be subscribed. Okay, here's the info showing you on my phone how to make your subscriptions visible. This is on the YouTube mobile website. You can do it on the regular YouTube website as well. You hit the 3 dots, you hit settings, go down to privacy. You do not want keep all my subscriptions private to enter YouTube giveaways, you would leave that unchecked. And when you're in the YouTube app on your phone, tablet, what have you, it's this button right here, the little gear. Go on down. The second one says keep my subscriptions private. You want to make sure that that's not lit up, that it's slid over. If in doubt about your subscriptions, if they're visible or not, just ask a friend or log out of your account, go back to it. If you can see your subscriptions when you're not logged in, they are visible and you'll be eligible to enter the contest on any YouTube channel. Just thought I would share that with you. Thank everyone for watching. Nails of interest. Have fun with the contest. Good luck everyone and have a great day. Bye-bye.